Hello students, this video of crop production and management part 5 is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. The next step in agricultural practices after irrigation is protection from weeds. What are weeds? What are the different methods that we can protect our crops from these weeds? Why it is necessary to remove weeds from our fields? What is the best time to remove these weeds? All these questions we will discuss and answer in this part of the video. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with our crops. The undesirable plants that grow in our field along with our crops are called weeds. What are the different methods to protect our plants from these weeds? There are different methods. First, there are mechanical methods. In mechanical methods, we use different implements to remove these weeds from our fields. In these implements, there are harrows, there are trowels or khurpis that are used in our field to remove the weeds mechanically. There are chemicals that are used to remove these weeds from our fields. These special chemicals are called weedicides. These chemicals are sprayed in the field, and with the help of a sprayer, these weedicides destroy the weeds and did not affect our crops. However, these weeds are poisonous. Therefore, before using the grains, we must wash these grains properly. There is a biological method also. Experiments are going on to use these biological methods. In these biological methods, there are some insects. That insects only attack on the weeds. They did not harm the crops. But there is a problem that the reproduction of these insects have to be controlled. Otherwise, these insects will become a problem. We discussed here the about the methods of different methods to control the weeds. In these methods, there are mechanical methods. In mechanical methods, we use different kinds of implements to remove the weeds. The chemical methods, in which we use weedicides to remove the weeds, and biological methods. We have to, apart from these weeds, we have to protect our crops from stray animals, insects, and diseases. For insects and diseases, we have to use insecticides and pesticides to protect our crops. The next step in agricultural practices after protection from weeds is when our crop is ready. When our crop become mature, we have to harvest our crop. That is the next step in agricultural practices is harvesting threshing and winnowing. What is harvesting? The cutting of crop after it is mature. When our crop is mature, we cut them, and this process is called harvesting. That is, when our crop is ready, then it is necessary to harvest our crop. That is, cut the mature crop, gather them, and bring that crop to a safer place for threshing and winnowing. Harvesting can be done manually or by using a machine. Harvesting can be done manually by sickles. Harvesting can be done Harvesting can be done by using a machine called combine. Here it is shown, a combine is shown. After harvesting, the grains are separated from the harvested crop. This process is called threshing. The grains are separated from the crops. This process is called threshing. It is done by using our domesticated animals or by a machine called thresher. Thresher is a machine in which harvested crop is put inside and the grains are separated from that. At the time of harvesting, farmers celebrate some festivals. These festivals are called harvest festivals. In earlier classes, we have already discussed about harvest festivals like religious and national festivals. Bihu, Pongal, Baisakhi are some harvest festivals that farmers celebrate in our country. Thank you for watching. Rest in the next video.